talking about common problems and solutions to this Ender 3 V2 3D printer. Alright, so the first thing I'm just going to put out here is that these printers are absolutely awesome. If your printer is not working very well, or something's going on, it'll work. I'm just putting that one out there. These things are awesome. Alright, so what I thought was the problem is it just was not printing. No matter what I did, it was not printing at all. I thought it was the nozzle system. Turns out it actually is not the nozzle system. So we have, let's see here, we got this custom nozzle. This is the same nozzle that's stock on this thing, and the problem is I took it apart and I burned the temperature wires right here. Won't probably focus. Be careful if you ever take that off. That is very fragile, and you need to be careful when taking that off. Second thing to put out here, this tool, it's good, but don't be too aggressive. So like if you're really going after it, scraping real hard, it will probably scrape away some of the sticky stuff to get the print on here. So just, you can use it, but use it innocently, I guess is the right word. Alright, so the thing we did, the main solution on what we did is we changed the temperature. So right here, let's see here, cut. Alright, come back in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so what we did is we changed the temperature. Ender printers run normally at 60 degrees, or 50 degrees, I'm sorry, for the ABS and 200 degrees for the PLA. That will work for probably your first 5 prints. Okay, what we did is we upped the temperature to 240 degrees for the PLA, and then we upped the temperature to, now I run it at 68, but 68 through 75 works really well for the ABS. Alright, knowing that, if it's still not working, that's basically what happened to ours. There's some other things that are not very complicated you can fix. Alright, there are little plugs around the printers, and you can find them literally everywhere. Make sure they're in the right spot. So there's a plug that goes to the ABS, there's a plug that goes to everything on here. It basically just sends information from the main computer to it. All the plugs are the same size, so make sure they're in the same spot. So when we first built it, we had them in the incorrect spot and had the nozzle going to the extruder. So just make sure they're in the right spot. That's pretty simple, and that can definitely help. Second thing, these mats, the build plates, I mean, they will help. I'll put it up there. If your plate is cracked or dented or scratched really bad, they'll definitely help. But yeah, that one's just kind of out there. Alright, the most important reason. These printers need to be calibrated. So there's little dials at the bottom of the printer that you spin them and it moves the thing up and down. So that's very important to calibrate them. How you know they're calibrated good is A10 piece of paper, put it in there, not too easy to pull, not too light to pull. So that's basically how you know that these printers are running really good. Cool. Well, that's basically all the problem and solution to this 3D printer. I'm going to have more series on this printer. Yeah, I'm going to keep posting about this printer and stuff. If you have stuff like you want me to 3D print, you can go to, I'll put it right here in the description. You can go to Turbofan YouTube channel on YouTube. Shout out to him. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Also, unrelated, but expect more FPV content. I haven't flown it in a little bit, but random question. I lost one of these nuts, so if any of you guys have an idea on where to get, it's like this. It's for an Aris C250 cut or stock motor. Just same thing. Go to Turbofan YouTube channel, comment. That'll always help. Thank you guys. Yeah, thank you for watching.